This portion of the video is being sponsored by Windone. Now, friends of the twins, you all know that Shuggy and I are now empty nesters, as well as Shonda and Boo Daddy. And so, you see us decorating and y'all see us out on date night. We really do enjoy those times when we can just get together and have fun. And so I was so excited when Windone reached out to me, and they have sent me the S14 folding city commuter e-bike. And as you can see, it comes with all of the tools that you will need to put it together. And friends of the twins, I love that. I love when you receive items and it comes with the exact tools that you'll need to put it together. There's no guessing game or anything like that. You also have your instruction manual, of course. It was really easy to put together. It took Shuggy maybe 20 minutes tops. It is basically already put together. You just kind of unfold it. Like I said, it is folding. Oh, that's another good thing for storage, friends of the twins. But you just basically unfold it, and then you will need to add the handlebar, the seat, as well as your foot pedals, and you are ready to go. It comes fully charged. It also comes with a charger for your recharging. You look at this and you say, now what is a couple in their 50s going to do with an e-bike? Well, we plan to do a lot. Shonda and Boo Daddy also have e-bikes. These are perfect for the four of us to head off to the park for a nice ride on a Sunday. Also, if you have an RV and you're into the RV living, they are perfect because they store compactly. You don't need a lot of space to store them. And then once you get to your resort where you're going to be staying with your RV, easily you can pull them out and ride throughout the park. I know for us, we have a long driveway. I can easily hop on it and head on up to the mailbox and back. Y'all know that Shonda lives, we were about 2 minutes apart. I can easily ride to her house, and she and Boo Daddy have already ridden to my house on their e-bikes. So now it is our turn to ride to her house. There's just so much that you can do, and y'all would not believe how much fun Shuggy is having. Now, you know that we have a golf cart. Y'all have seen my golf cart here. And what I've noticed is that Shuggy is going and grabbing his new e-bike before he grabs the golf cart as we go around the yard here. They would also be perfect to take on a camping trip. I know for us, having these e-bikes is just one more thing that brings us together, and it's something that we can do together. Like I said, we are empty nesters and we are having fun. They're already having Black Friday sales now when you visit the website, and this e-bike itself is going to be on sale between November 5th to December 2nd using our special discount code. I will have the discount code as well as a link to the website down in the description box below. Go over and check it out, friends. You deserve it. You deserve to have a little bit of fun.